Hey guys, myself Kanjal, and today in this video I'm going to explain how you're blocking your own manifestations, because most of the time you are doing it unconsciously. It is the programming that is running in your head on autopilot and you are not even aware of it, and this is the reason that when you ask for something you are not receiving it, and even after doing everything externally that you have been told, that's the time that you feel like maybe it is not meant for you. But I'm going to tell you the scientific reason behind why you are not able to do it and what you need to do to manifest them. Now, the biggest block you're going to face in your reality, in your manifestation journey, is going to be your subconscious mind, because your subconscious mind is the creator of your reality. It controls 95% of your being, like your thoughts, your actions, your words, your energy, everything that you are doing, that you are aware of, and even you are not aware of, everything is being done by your subconscious mind. And there are two parts of your brain, so which is conscious mind and subconscious mind. Okay, so your conscious mind, now you may ask that what does your conscious mind does. So your conscious mind is only here to take logical decisions. It is here to, like, analyze thing. Conscious mind is here to take logical decisions and take action. All the actions that you are taking externally, which is like visualization, affirmations, meditation, everything that you are doing, all of these is done by your conscious mind. Okay, so whichever thing that need your attention and you are doing physically, all of this is being done by your conscious mind. Now let's understand that how subconscious mind is creating your reality. Here comes your first reason why, even after doing everything externally, which is doing visualization, affirmations, journaling, and meditations, which whatever it is that you have been told to do in order to manifest whatever you desire, even after doing all of this, why you are not able to do it is the main reason because you are just doing 5% of the things that requires you to create your reality. You are not focusing on the 95% of the things that is controlling and that is creating your reality, which is your subconscious mind. So what you need to do in order to manifest what you want is rewire your subconscious mind. This is the only way, because if your subconscious mind is controlling 95% of the things but you are focusing on only 5% of the things, that's the result you are going to get. This is why your small manifestation are manifesting, like you are getting it like instantly, and you also feel like yes, manifestation work for you. But when it comes to big manifestation, you are not able to do it. It's because somewhere around in your subconscious mind that thing feels unsafe. So now let's get into your subconscious mind. Why does it create and hold this much of power? Where this power comes and how it is creating your reality. Okay. Consider your subconscious mind as an internal operating system. If you have a computer or a laptop at your home, you know that each of it have this internal operating system from which they are operating, right? Similarly, our subconscious mind is our internal operating system, and just like any computer has this internal operating system which is backed up by a lot of data, our subconscious has also carried and collected a lot of data from where? From our childhood. Before the age of 7 or 8, or maximum the age of 12, whatever the data it has collected, it has considered as ultimate truth. So whether it is like your patterns or your conditioning, whatever you have been told to, your conditioning, your programming, everything that you have seen and witnessed, everything has been taken as truth, because when we were born we were like a clean slate. If I am completely removing everything, this board is going to become completely clean. That's how we born with our subconscious mind. But our subconscious has a sponge like state when we were born. So whatever we have been told, whatever we have been seen, everything it is going to absorb like an ultimate truth. And this is how it has so much data to now create our reality even after these many years. This is how it is running. Based on this data that has been taken in our childhood, this is how it is running our program, and this is how it is creating our reality even today. So now, even in the childhood, you have you have seen your mom and dad or parents struggling with money, okay, and you feel, you at that time you have feel that making money is so much hard. At that time your subconscious has taken that as an ultimate truth, and now it has become your belief that making money is hard. Even when now you have outgrown this belief, okay, you are now continuously affirming 100 times in a day that making money is easy, I am a magnet to money. None of these is coming to your reality. You are not manifesting more money. Why? Because still somewhere in your subconscious mind that belief has not gone. That belief already stored in your subconscious mind, and until and unless you rewire it, you let go of that belief, you are not going to see any changes in your reality. And this is how you are, which means that your subconscious is blocking your manifestations by running and creating your reality based on the old beliefs that has taken in your childhood. So, if I have to say in a very simple language, the difference between your conscious mind and your subconscious mind, which I think you may have also get it, is your conscious mind, which is taking all the actions, okay, all the actions, but it is goal setter, it's just goal setter. But your subconscious mind, it is the ultimate goal getter. It is what decides whether you are going to have it or you are not going to have it. And this is why instead of working on those 5% of the action, you need to do and work on those 95% of the things that will going to rewire your subconscious mind and help you manifest whatever you desire. And this is the work I do with my clients, because it is very important to first of all identify what is stopping you and then rewire it. And it is not like once you have identified, you are going to just throw them away and it's done. This is the work that you have to do continuously, because this belief are going to come again and again. So first of all you have to be very aware of it, and then you need to know that how you are going to rewire it. So when I work with my clients, we go so much deeper into their subconscious mind, and we understand whatever the beliefs that are holding them back, and then we create a roadmap on how they can get the whatever they desire. So now I hope that you have understood why you are not able to manifest whatever you desire even after doing everything like visualization, intention setting, or journaling. Everything that you are doing is because it's just 5% of the actions, 5% of the part that you are taking action on instead, and you are just ignoring this 95% of the things that is actually creating your reality. The second way that you are blocking your own manifestation, and again this is not your fault, is your old programming and your childhood conditioning. So whatever you have been told in your childhood, okay, you are still believing that somewhere in your mind. So for example, whatever your parents or your caretaker with whoever you used to live, whatever you have seen these people doing and telling you about all these 4 things, that is what has created your beliefs and your identity. Okay, so now whatever you believe, whatever you have seen about these things in your childhood, this is what has become your programming. This is how you are still running your life most of the times. Again, it is connected to your subconscious mind, but even consciously you are thinking about these things. You are somehow taking actions and making decisions based on what you have seen in your childhood. So for example, if you have been told that be realistic, okay, so now when it comes to making more money, you just feel like, if you are making whatever 50k 50k or 1 lakh in a month, the maximum you can see is like 2 or 3 lakhs. You can never think of like making 1 crore or 100 crore in a month, even when you are 100% capable of it. Why? Because of your old programming and your childhood conditioning, because you feel like you have to be realistic how it can happen. You are not even taking a moment to ask your mind whether it is possible or not, but your childhood conditioning and programming is deciding that this is not possible because you have to be realistic. So now you are believing that this is what only is possible for you and not this, even if you are 100% capable of doing this. Not only this is the same way you are also running your relationship. So like, if you have seen your parents getting divorced and everything, your belief about love is not real, or you feel like, you have to be practical in relationship. There is always give and take in relationship. So you never learned how to love unconditionally. Sorry, unconditionally. You also you think that love comes on some terms, which is again your belief that you have taken in your childhood because of what you have seen in your reality that has happened. And again, it goes similarly for success and worthiness. If you have, like, for success, when we are child, if we are getting good grades, we our parents give us some gifts, or they give us some rewards, and that's how we think that if we are going to be successful, then only we are going to get love, then only we are worthy of receiving. And now this belief has again come when you have grown up. So what you think is you always have to prove yourself. You always have to prove yourself. So what I would like you to do is really sit with yourself and ask, what is the real reason behind your manifestation, behind whatever you are asking for? Is it because you want to prove yourself? Is it because you want to see other people around you, your parents or relatives, your friends or teachers, to see you as a successful person, so that you feel worthy, so that you feel worthy of money, so that you feel worthy of love, so that you can feel you are good enough? This is the reason that you are asking for your manifestation. Manifestation happen in energy form first, and when your energy is so diluted, it is with all of these beliefs. This is the reason that you block your own manifestation by constantly trying to prove yourself and by constantly running your life for other people and not for why you have came on earth, for to actually fulfill your purpose, to actually do things that actually make you happy, but to constantly chase things. So yes, this is the biggest another reason you are blocking your manifestations without even realizing it. And again, like I said, that this is happening by your subconscious mind. Now third thing is, when you ask for something, after asking, after setting an intention for a manifestation, or after deciding a goal, you are too much focused on your 3D, on your 3D reality, which is your external world. And now if you are confused about what is 3D, 4D, 5D, so I have created another video which I will link here. You can click on the I button and you can get that video where I have explained what is the difference between 3D, 4D and 5D in very good way. Okay, so you can watch that video. Now, what do I mean that you are too much focused on your 3D reality? So when you have asked for something, you have set an intention, you are constantly looking for evidences that whether it is coming to fruition. You are constantly asking where it is. And then you are getting discouraged when you don't see any results. You are getting discouraged when you don't see any results yet. Then you are constantly needing signals. to believe that it is working. And now again, when you don't see any result, because you are being so desperate here, actually it is nothing like, it's not working or anything like that. When you don't see results, you think that maybe you are not meant for it. You think that maybe you are not meant for it, and this is why it has not come to fruition. But actually you are blocking your manifestation. You are not giving it enough time. See, whenever you are even placing an order on Amazon, it takes for 4 or 5 days, or even it is coming like next day, it takes few hours until you receive your parcel. It's the same with your manifestation. Now, number 4 reason is you are not behaving as an version of you who already have it. What does that mean? Already has it. This means that this is the heart of identity shifting, okay, which I keep saying in all of my videos if you have heard it. So you are not behaving as a person who already has it. Now the version of you, in order to receive your manifestation, if you know, you need to match your thoughts, your beliefs, your actions, and even your state of being as the person who already have received it. So the person who already has it, okay, is going to feel calm, confident, and at peace, right? But right now, how you are behaving, you are behaving as a person who don't have it, who doesn't have it. Okay, so right now you are being desperate. You are trying to control everything. You are over hustling. Because you think that you have to, work hard to get that manifestation, to receive it. Because this is where also your subconscious is running the program, because it is telling you that in your childhood it has been told that making money is hard, so again, or getting anything is hard, you have to work hard. So now again, that program, that belief is running you right now, running the show right now as well. How? By making you over hustle, by making you work hard, even when it is not necessary, even when this is the last thing you would be ever needing to receive your manifestation. In order to receive, you really need to become the version who already has it, but energetically again you are blocking it. So right now what you are doing is you are trying to receive your manifestation from the same energy of lack. But in order to receive your desires, in order to receive your manifestation, you have to shift your identity, which is something you are not doing. And this is again the work you really need to do if you want to manifest something big. And when I am saying that you are not becoming and acting as a person who already has it, again it also means that you are creating from the state of lack, and you are not trusting that whatever you are desiring is already here. When you have declared in the universe, it is already done. It is just a moment, and it is just a little bit of time that is going to take you to receive it in the physical form. These are all the ways you might be blocking your manifestation, and you feeling like you need to work hard, or maybe you are not meant for it. But actually this is the reality. All the things that I have told you in this video are the reason that you have not manifested whatever you have desired or whatever you have asked for from the universe. And now if you are ready to step into your power and really receive that you know that you are meant for, you can DM me on Instagram, and I would love to help you out with your manifestation. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and happy manifesting. Thank you so much for watching.